Hello, it's just me for Thanksgiving, and guess where I'm at? I am with my senior brother. My senior.
Beautiful mama.
Look. What do you have to say, Egbo? Senior.
Yes.
What do you have to say?
It's Thanksgiving. We're just thankful to God, grateful to Him for bringing us this far. So we are thankful to Him. Join us wherever you are to celebrate Jesus, to celebrate God and say thank you.
Yes, it's dinner time.
Nine for the. Okay, we need 2 more 7. Listen, we need 2
Yes,
more.
we're about to throw down. We're about to throw down.
Okay.
Oh, so that is ham. The big one.
Yes.
Jesus.
I put my hope in your holy hand. Jesus, you're my firm foundation. I know I can stand secure. Jesus, you're my firm foundation. I put my hope in your holy hand. I put my hope in your holy hand. Living God, I have a future. I have a future. God has it for me. God has a plan for me. Of this I'm sure. Of this I'm sure. Jesus, you're my firm foundation. I know I can stand secure. Jesus, you're my firm foundation. I put my hope in your holy hand.